So again, that's digestive enzymes and hormones that regulate blood sugar. This green tube is the rectum. It is the bottom portion of the colon. On the back wall, so this is one kidney, right here. And this tube that comes from the kidney is a ureter. You can see it coiling. This is the other kidney on the other side. And this other tube here is the other ureter. So those are the ureters. Kidneys, ureters. This is a female pig. This tiny bead-shaped organ is an ovary. Here's the other ovary. Right adjacent to the ovaries are the tiny coiled tubes called the oviducts, right there. The other oviduct on the other ovary is right there. And of course the ovaries produce eggs, and they go through the oviduct, which is where fertilization takes place, and then finally the development of the fetus takes place in the Y-shaped organ down here called the uterus. This is the urinary bladder right there. Be careful on the test not to say bladder, because we need to distinguish it from the urinary bladder and the gallbladder. So the urine goes from the kidney to the ureter, and then from the ureter to the urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder to the urethra, which I do not have dissected out, and then out through the urogenital opening of the female. This is a male pig, and this is the urethra and the penis. It is very difficult to tell where the urethra sort of ends, although the urethra goes up into the penis, but it's very hard to tell where the penis begins. So on the test, we will accept penis or urethra for this tube. Down here, you can see one testis. Plural would be testes. This one I left in the scrotal sac, so you could see what it looks like when it's still in the scrotal sac. This one I've removed from the scrotal sac. And here's one testis, and its function is a production of sperm, the male gametes. And this tube that surrounds it is called the epididymis, and it stores sperm, and also the sperm, when they leave the testes, are not ready to swim yet, and they gain the ability to swim while they're being stored in the epididymis.